Implementing accessibility is crucial to include in the classroom to promote inclusivity. Inclusivity is the practice of providing equal access to opportunities and resources for people who might otherwise be excluded due to physical or mental disabilities or belonging to other minority groups. Implementing accessibility in the classroom is what my presentation will focus on. My first objective is what I believe needs a further in-depth explanation because it's very important information. It focuses on the laws of protecting students with disabilities. ADA protects qualified individuals with disabilities from discrimination of all state and local governments. However, to be protected by the ADA, one must have a disability, which is defined by the ADA as 1. A physical or mental impairment that substantially limits one or more major life activities. 2. A person who has a history or record of such an impairment. And 3. A person who is perceived by others as having such impairment. However, the ADA does not specifically name all the impairments that are covered. Within the ADA, there are multiple sections that are included, but there are two that I will discuss specifically in my presentation that relate to education. These are sections 504 and 508. Title II of the ADA and Section 504 requires educational agencies to provide students with disabilities equal access to educational benefits. Additionally, Section 508 requires federal agencies to make their electronic and information technology accessible to people with disabilities. This leads me to my second and third objective. There are many educational technology apps that are universally being used in the classroom. This is what my second half of my presentation will discuss, which is the pros and cons of 3 apps in regards to their accessibility features. The 3 commonly used apps I have chosen to focus on are YouTube, Kahoot, and Flipgrid. All 3 of these apps have 5 detailed pros to help support inclusivity. However, no app is perfect and there are a few cons for each application discussed.